Today we are going to learn how breadth first search work. Breadth first search, in one sentence, is what I call wide fetish search because it always chases the widest part of the graph first. BCFS uses a queue to keep track of which nodes to visit next. Now, let's look at a graph. We want to discover all nodes reachable from root node A. Along the way, we'll track two things. Light blue means visited, and orange means the node is in the queue, waiting to be visited. Starting the algorithm, we visit A first. You can see our queue in the top left corner. We pop A from the queue, then mark it as visited. Now we add B and C into the queue. Next, we pop the head element from the queue. That's B. We mark B as visited, then add B's child, which is D, into the queue. We do the same with C. Let me pause here and explain what breadth first search actually means. After we visited B, we chose to go wide to C rather than going deeper from B. This is exactly why it's called breadth first search. We explore wide before we go deep. Now I'll play the animation from beginning to end. There's no voiceover, so watch carefully how it works. And there you have it. That's BFS in action, exploring wide before going deep. Using a simple queue to keep track of what to visit next. Thank you for watching.